Linyi Joute Electric Bike Company Limited is a professional company specializing in the research and development, production and sales of electric bicycles, electric motorcycles, and electric tricycles. The company is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province. The company has more than 5,000 square meters of office and production land space and management team with many years of industry experience. Our products cover including electric bicycles, electric motorcycles, electric tricycles, and accessories. Our products are diverse in specifications, reliable in quality, and reasonable in price. At present, our products are sold to more than 20 countries and regions around the world and have won a reputation for reliability and durability among customers. To ensure the quality and performance of our products, we use advanced production technology and equipment and have established a complete quality management and after-sales service system. Since its establishment, our company has adhered to the concept of survival by quality and development by reputation, and has continuously innovated and made progress to provide customers with the best quality products and services. Our goal is to become a Chinese manufacturer of electric bicycles, electric motorcycles, and electric tricycles, to create a world-class enterprise and to provide better products and services to our valued customers. We look forward to working with you to create a better future together.